If you're someone who appreciates the power of effective shortcuts that significantly cut down the time you invest in tasks, you likely earn the label of smart. And rightfully so, leveraging technology smartly can truly streamline your life, offering convenience and efficiency that might otherwise seem out of reach. Welcome to the Hackology, subscribe and let's dive in. In this guide, we're diving into the top ingenious tricks that harness the power of technology to enhance your life, making tasks breeze by with newfound speed and efficiency. 1. Create Wi-Fi codes for guests. Tired of the hassle that comes with sharing your Wi-Fi password with guests? Well, it's time to upgrade to a smarter solution. With QAFI.org, bid farewell to the repetitive task of divulging your password every time someone visits. This ingenious platform empowers you to create a QR code that grants easy access to your Wi-Fi network, with no password input required. The process is a breeze, just input your network's name and password on QAFI.org. Within moments, you'll receive a unique QR code that acts as a digital key to your Wi-Fi kingdom. No more scribbling passwords on scraps of paper or verbally reciting them, simply print out the QR code and share it with your guests. When they want to connect, they can scan the QR code with their device's camera and voila, they're online. This clever tech hack not only saves you time but also ensures a seamless and secure Wi-Fi sharing experience. Gone are the days of awkwardly spelling out complex passwords or risking the security of your network. QAFI.org empowers you to effortlessly share your Wi-Fi while maintaining control over who gains access. Say hello to convenience and bid farewell to Wi-Fi password woes. 2. Proofread long essays with Google Translate. Whether you're a diligent student or a dedicated content writer, grappling with your own writing for errors can be a real challenge. But guess what? Your trusty ally, Google, has a nifty trick up its sleeve to help you out. Say hello to the power of your ears. Imagine this: you've poured your heart and soul into crafting a piece, but those pesky errors still manage to evade your vigilant eyes. Fear not. Google is here to lend an auditory hand. All you need to do is effortlessly copy and paste your masterpiece into Google Translate. Yes, you read that right. With a simple click on the listen icon, Google's magic comes alive. It transforms your words into a melodious narration, spelling out your content for you. It's like having your very own personal proofreader, but in audio form. Gone are the days of straining your eyes and playing hide-and-seek with errors. Google's ingenious solution lets your ears take the lead, helping you catch mistakes you might have overlooked. Your ears will thank you for the audible assist. 3. Stop buying ebooks, borrow instead. Embrace the digital age with ebooks, the ultimate companions that never get left behind. Imagine a world where your entire reading collection fits right into your devices, ready to entertain you at a moment's notice. But what if you're not keen on a digital library? No worries, because there's a savvy solution waiting for you: borrowing ebooks instead of buying. Enter Overdrive, your virtual library pass that connects you to your local book haven. Overdrive doesn't stop at just ebooks, they've got a dynamic duo of apps tailored to your needs. Sarah, your trusty sidekick for studying, and Libby, your book buddy for everyday reading adventures. Whether it's research or relaxation, these apps make borrowing a breeze. Here's the icing on the e-cake: with this digital paradise, you're never late. No frantic searches for due dates or pesky late fees haunting you. Overdrive's enchanting world ensures your borrowed books magically return themselves when the time comes. Oh, and in case you're thinking of an extended rendezvous with a captivating tale, renewing is a snap. So why clutter your shelves with stacks of paperbacks when you can have a universe of stories at your fingertips? 4. Save time by speaking instead of writing. When time is tight or typing becomes a pain, let your words flow effortlessly with the power of your voice. Imagine no more finger gymnastics or fretting over deadlines. Enter the hero of the hour: voice typing. Whether you're a Microsoft Word aficionado or a Google Docs devotee, this game changer awaits you. In Word's Corner, find the dictation option waiting for your command on the home menu. Alternatively, summon it with a swift Windows key plus H combo, unveiling the dictation toolbar in all its glory. With your microphone at the ready, it's time to channel your inner orator. Speak your text, watch it materialize on screen. And punctuation? Easy as a breath, just voice it out. Google Docs dances to the same tune. Tucked within the Tools menu is your voice typing savior. One click later, and the mic stands ready to transform your speech into written brilliance. Give your fingers a break and let your voice take the lead. 5. Repurpose your old mobile device into new tools. Before you toss that old phone or sell it for a pittance, consider this: your once beloved gadget has a second act waiting in the wings. Yes, really. Think outside the recycling bin and explore the possibilities. Ever dreamt of wielding a magic wand? Your old phone can grant that power as a TV remote. Thanks to the Universal TV Remote Control app, your device becomes the ultimate channel-hopping sorcerer. But wait, there's more. Picture this: your old companion as your morning motivator. Transform it into an alarm clock, giving your primary phone a restful night while ensuring you rise on time, sans morning scroll temptation. Home security buff? Transform your trusty device into a vigilant sentry with the Alfred CCTV camera for home app. Pop it in a strategic spot, ensuring a constant power supply for unblinking vigilance. And for the open road enthusiasts, don't retire your phone, turn it into a dashcam extraordinaire. Simply arm it with the Droid Dashcam app, secure it with a mount, power it up, and hit the road with confidence. Your old phone, reborn as a TV maestro, wake-up whisperer, home safeguard, and dashcam dynamo. Don't just discard it, reimagine it. Your pocket pal has more to give. 6. Refine Google search. Searching the web is like digging for gold, but sometimes you want to refine your treasure hunt. Enter the trusty minus sign, your search wizard's wand. Simply add it before a word you want to subtract from the results and watch the magic unfold. For instance, let's say you're unraveling the mysteries of time management. Your search floods you with Wikipedia, too much of a good thing, right? Fear not. Just type time management, Wikipedia, and voila. Your results transform, unveiling a fresh trove of insights. In the realm of search queries, the minus sign is your secret weapon, a virtual scalpel to trim away the unwanted while revealing the gems you seek. Let the minus sign conjure search results that truly sparkle with relevance. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.